Hello, good morning, friends. Wish you all a very happy Christmas. And on the eve of this new year, today is very cool Sunday, and I'm going to tell you about the HRMS ESS module. Okay, as you know, as you know, the ESS module that is employs self-service portal. That is employs self-service portal, and from this module, the employee self-service portal, you may resolve your issues like your communication, that is change of your mobile number. Many issues are coming to us that my mobile number is wrong, or her or his mobile number is wrong, and so we may raise our request for changing this mobile number, or sometimes we are getting some issues related to the family details in the family tab. Suppose the name of his son or word is missing, or some date of birth or something else is not reflected over there. That's why they are not getting the pass in time. So friends, you didn't worried about it. You just click on the ESS portal and raise your request. Okay, I am simply showing you on the screen how you initiate or raise the issues or grievances on ESS portal from your home or from your office or from your mobile browser, from anywhere else, and that will be directly visible to the bill clerk's ID, that is the SRDC ID, service record dealing clerk's ID, and accordingly he will rectify the same if your claim is genuine, and then it will be verified by the concerns sectional chief OS, and in the later stage the accepting authority will accept the same. So, and of course you need to upload a signed document and application for the same, that you are raising for the correction of the same. So friends, let's start the video on HRMS screen. Okay, so this is the HRMS screen. As you know, this is a very small video. HRMS ESS. Okay, then you come view, edit my details. Okay, just open it. I'm opening my ID over here, and now you may show the first thing is employee master, second thing employee master family, basic information, then family, then communication information. If you have some error on your mobile number, then you may raise your request to change through this communication information tab, by which you may able to change your mobile number. Employee master personal, then qualification, then initial appointment, then award, then promotion, then transfer, nomination, training details, and all these things which is required for correction. You may open this. Okay, so first I am opening this information of family. Now have a look on this. Okay, my family details are showing over here. Okay, so this is two tab, family one, my son, name of my son is there, and my family two, the name of my wife. You can see the name of my wife and the details. Okay, so if I require some changes, then I may raise the request. How could I raise the request? Just click. First time, use the name of the employee, you can see, and who is the DC, you can see the name of the DC, and of course name of the VC, and then name of the officers, the accepting authority is showing. Okay, I am raising a simple request. Okay, this is my request. Okay, so two things are there. First thing, you may edit or mark for deletion. What is the difference between edit and mark for deletion? If there is some error in the data, then you may raise the edit, and you must put down the reason by which you are going to edit. Okay, and next things is mark for deletion. Why it is marked for deletion? Suppose this family member is no longer exist, or it has erroneously came to your ID, so you may raise your request for mark for deletion. So now I am looking on this editing tab. Okay, suppose there is some problem in the name of my son, so you just click on this checkbox. This checkbox will open. Okay, and suppose it will be I instead of Y, so I am typing it I. Okay, and as and when I submit the same, it will directly forward it to the DC, and DC will check the same and will rectify, and accordingly it will be forwarded to the verification authority, and as and when verification authority will save the same, it will go to the accepting authority. So if accepting authority will accept your request, then automatically your family details tab will be corrected. Okay, suppose you have some issues related to the date of birth of your family member, so just click on this checkbox, it will be opened, and you correct it and send it to your concerned DC. Okay, so it's very simple, as you know, it's very simple. And next, the main issues which are coming to us, that is on the communication information tab. So communication information tab is related to the mobile number. If you would like to change your mobile number, you have to raise change request. Okay, then I'm typing, please change my mobile number as it is no longer valid. And I am clicking on my mobile number, and I am changing my mobile number. Okay, and I am uploading a document, a self-signature document file. रूमी हाँ, गुड मॉर्निंग। बोल रहे क्या, वो आपका थोड़ा HRMS ID हमको दे सकते हो, सेटलमेंट का एक थोड़ा वीडियो बनाना था। हाँ, थोड़ा व्हाट्सएप में डाल दीजिएगा। ओके, थैंक यू, थैंक्स अ लॉट। So I am uploading a file requesting the change of mobile number. Okay, and suppose I am uploading this file for change the mobile number, and this file is uploaded, and I simply submit the same by clicking on the submit button, and the request will go to the concerned dealing clerk, and concerned dealing clerk will verify, and if your request is genuine and valid, then dealing clerk will accept your request, and it will be forwarded to the verification authority. Verification authority will verify the same, and then it will be forwarded to the accepting authority, and your mobile number automatically saved and changed in the HRMS module. So you do not need to come personally to the office, or you do not need to come to your bill clerk. You just You just prepare your application and upload the same on the ESS portal and forward the same through HRMS, through HRMS platform, on HRMS platform. And mm, all these are really, this very beautiful software they have made. And I'm very grateful to show you all these things, because so many grievances are coming to us that mobile number and family details or basic information uh, is not according to the service record. It might happen because it was already done in a very considerable time limit. So friends, you do not worried about, and you start, and you start, and you just open the ESS tab on your just below your profile, and you can check and raise your request so that you may send your request and you may raise your request, and accordingly your request will be accepted if it is genuine, and will automatically changed, and you can see that. Okay, so thank you friends. This is a beautiful cool Sunday, and the whole HRMS team is supporting all of you, are helping all of you. And of course, I would like to thank Senior DPO Sir of Adra Division, Mr. Rishabh Sinha, for extending his full support, and my heartfelt congratulations and my thanks, special thanks to the HRMS team. And as you know, Vijay Verma is also doing very well, and I would like to thank the team of Office Order Module, because Office Order Module is now increasing, and all these things are happening in a right way. Okay, but I will try to express in my next video. I will concentrate on settlement module, that how we will implement the settlement module in Adra division. And there is a beautiful team of settlement section, and also in the welfare section, one of the best section in our office. Okay, thank you friends, have a good day, and enjoy weekend. Thank you.